Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. It's raining a lot. Soos die ou mense altyd gesê het, dit reën honde en katte. It's 90% rain today, so this was expected. I am on my way to the mall because I have to run errands for myself and for my mommy. Even though I don't want to be out here in the cold and the rain. Ek sal liever wel in die kamer wees in my bed met 'n lekker koppie tee. Maar nou ja, die goedjies moet gedoen word en ons wil mos groot wees. I'm starting a new vlog today, so welcome to my vlog guys. It's Wednesday morning. Like I said, it's raining very hard and I'm on my way to the mall. I thought it would be the perfect time to take you guys along and spend a few days with me. And yeah, so let's get going so we can get back home and not be out in the streets in this rainy cold weather. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog with me. Brought back my take-a-lot order yesterday and it's just been sitting here. I actually want to open up this with you guys. Hey guys, I got home a few hours ago, spent some time with Luca and just chilled. I want to open this package with you guys. I ordered a gas heater like I showed you and a tripod because I have a very flimsy one. I bought it like 2 years ago and it's not balancing my phone right because I think the weight of my phone it's way too heavy. And then I had a ring light. It's broken for about 3 years. Let me show you what I've been working with. This thingy that comes out here doesn't fit in here because it's overturned. It has a levertjie and die levertjie draai nie meer nie, so hy draai, hy's oordraai. So my phone can't stand in here. So ek het die ring lightie, ek het a flimsy tripod and I decided I am gonna get me a tripod with some LED lights. I'm excited to see. Yeah, so let's unbox it. Oh wow, this is actually very nice. Okay. And where's the other part? Oh, here's the lights. And then you just, I think you have to, yeah, I think this comes in here somewhere. You have to clip it in. Then you have your charging cable. It's also
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I forgot to show you the tripod. I love the length. As you can see, it's quite lengthy. And this is your freakies. And then here you put in your phone. You also have a wireless button you can push, and then it will record and take a photo by itself. This is the LED light. This is, I think it's the strongest. And then you just put it on like this. There you go. So now you have your LED light, your phone goes in here, you have your tripod, and then you have your fookies. You see, so it can go quite and then this is your kind of little legs. So yeah guys, I don't know how to feel. For starters, this LED light is way too weak. This is the strongest it goes. Yeah, and if you have a big and heavy phone like I do, this tripod is not gonna work. It's way too flimsy. I have an iPhone 15 Plus, so it's a big phone and it's quite heavy. If you have a phone like that or the similar size, a similar weight, this thing is not enough. I'm just being honest. This thing is not gonna cut it for you. You know why? Because if I put my phone in here, I should actually show you guys. If I put my phone in here, it's too big for the LED light, so my phone covers the LED lights. And then if I put the phone in here in the tripod, it goes like this or it goes like this. It's too flimsy, the weight doesn't balance, or it will get, this will go skew. No, don't know how to feel about this tripod. I'm just being honest. Hey guys, so we are on our way to my mother-in-law. It's her birthday today, so we are going to Mitchell's Plain. It's cold, but we're gonna spend a few hours with her and just celebrate her birthday. It's a special day. So yeah, I haven't vlogged much today, but I've been cleaning. Basically, I've organized our cupboards because it looked like chaos. Was chaotic. But yeah, let's go and celebrate my mother-in-law.
Nobody knows where go. Oh, that's so much is going. Happiness knows nobody knows.
Jolly good fellow, she's a jolly good fellow, she's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us.
What is Daddy doing? Wat is vandaag, lieve? It's Friday. What is that? Stickers? What stickers is that? Who is that? Wow, you're showing us your stickers. Cheese. Guys, so I'm gonna start knitting again. I got some needles and some wool at Checkers, and yeah, I'm excited. This is a nice activity or hobby to do in the winter, and I've been knitting since I was 8 years old, and I love it. I just made breakfast. I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen. It's Saturday morning. My husband is going to the barber shop right now, and if you have a husband or partner that goes to the barber shop, I wanna say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi,
If you have a husband or partner that goes to the barber shop on the regular, you know you have to prepare yourself for a few hours because that is how long they will be away. Ek weet nie of hulle tea en cookies drink of wat hulle doen by die barber shop hier, but yeah, I just think it's my man's quality time alone. So he must do his thing. What do you want, my baby? So yeah, I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen. So it's gonna be me and Luca for the morning. Hey. And then I am just gonna chill. It's so cold and it's gonna be rainy weather tomorrow. Yeah. Oh yeah, good. So it's gonna be a rainy weather from tomorrow onwards. And we are just gonna chill. We don't have any plans. We are just gonna be at home. What do you wanna do? So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy your Saturday, and I'll check in with you later. Come, let's go. Oopie, you gonna fall? Not me walking through the whole house just to find good lighting so I can talk to you guys. It's rainy, it's gloomy, so the house is naturally dark. But I wanted to come say hi and bye. Like I said in the previous vlogs, if I don't have any more content to show you guys, I will not drag a vlog out. Sunday morning, I just wanted to say thank you for spending the week with me. We didn't do much, but this is my life. Every day, normal, loving. That is my life, and I'm happy and content with it. If you are expecting more outgoing videos and me living my best life in the streets, you are not going to get it here. Because if you know me personally and you are one of the OGs, you would know I am a homebody at heart, and if I can be at home in peace in my own little comfortable bubble, I'm content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys will come back for the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join my little corner of the internet where we share life and everything in between. Bye.